Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Open JDK 11 or 17, a 64-bit Ubuntu install, and sufficient RAM and disk. Once confirmed, download the Android Studio. tar, gz and extract it to /opt for system-wide use. Next, create a desktop entry by running Studio. sh from the extracted bin folder so you can launch from activities. Make sure to set Java home to the JDK path and grant execute permission to Studio. This avoids permission issues when you launch the IDE. Once Android Studio launches, go straight to the SDK Manager and install required platforms, build tools, and the Android SDK platform tools. Then open AVD Manager to create a virtual device. On Ubuntu, use KVM acceleration instead of Intel Haxum, and ensure libvirt and Qemu are installed. Next, set the project JDK in project structure to your Open JDK path. Make sure to enable essential plugins like Kotlin and Android support. These extend templates and Gradle. You now import or create a project and click sync to let Gradle download dependencies, monitor the event log for errors, and resolve version mismatches. Run the app on an AVD or a USB-connected device with USB debugging enabled. Use the DB devices to confirm connection. If builds are slow or fail, increase Gradle and VM heap sizes and verify KVM is active. One key troubleshooting tip: if the emulator won't start, check Qemu, kernel modules, and grant /dev/kvm access to your user.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.